Okay, if you've seen my previous video, you can probably guess what I did next. Yep, went to Barnes & Noble and bought some broccoli. You know, like you do. Okay, you know what I paid way too much money for this 12th Doctor's sonic screwdriver, and well, let's open it here. Yes, aren't you? This is not edited, and I need to try YouTube's editing stuff one of these days, but right now I'm not allowed to because I've got one mark on my record, which won't be gone until February. Thanks, Toei. So let's see here. Instructions. Well, we'll get those out if we absolutely have to. Okay, don't seem to be any ties. Well, no candy-like button, which means no door to open up. That's good. And, of course, the Try Me tab. Let's pull that. Now, let's see here. Whoa. Hey, look at this. I'm just... Oh, I see. Have to touch on both ends, I guess. Okay, now let's see. Will it... Yes! It still works. Yep, and it still has the hidden sounds, and let's see, it says... What does it say here? Removable power core. Let's see, is this thing? Is it down here, maybe? Yep. There we go. Oh, it still work without the power, with the... Yes, that's the power core. Let's have a good look at that. So it just kind of snaps out, which is nice. When did this happen in the show? Will this happen? Did I miss this happening? I don't know. So that's nice that still got the hidden sounds, and now I don't have to do this. Yeah, so that's nice. More likely to accidentally go off when I'm grabbing it, but whatever. I'm wondering, why haven't they made a red setting one? Because if you've seen Cold War, you know that this version of the sonic screwdriver has a red setting. Hey, if it has a red setting, are these dampers?